Welcome! If you've ever wanted Discord to automatically turn your text emoticons into colorful emojis while chatting on the web version, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable this feature on Discord's latest update for PC, so your chats can be more expressive and fun. Let's get started. First, open Discord from your browser. You don't need to download anything extra. Just head to the Discord website and log in as you normally would. Once you're inside, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture and username, and right next to them is a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to access your user settings. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Chat. Click on it to open up the chat options. Here you'll find a variety of settings that let you customize your messaging experience. What we're looking for is the option that says Automatically Convert Emoticons in your messages to emojis. This is the magic switch that will turn your classic text emoticons, like parentheses for a smiley face, into bright animated emojis. To enable this feature, simply toggle the switch next to it. Once it's turned on, every time you type a text emoticon in your messages, Discord will instantly convert it into the corresponding emoji. No more searching through the emoji menu or typing out long emoji codes. Just type your favorite emoticons and watch them transform automatically. And that's it! You've now set up Discord to replace text emoticons with emojis on the web version, making your conversations livelier and more expressive. If you ever want to turn this feature off, just head back to the same setting and toggle it off. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends and check out more tips to make the most out of your Discord experience.